What's up, guys? It's the Collector Brothers here with collectibles and more. And today, we went and got something collectible for you guys. We got a Dragon Star series, Dragon Ball Super Rosé Goku, or Goku Black. Rosé Goku Black. Sorry about that, guys. If you've seen the series, which I'm pretty sure you guys have, if not, if you haven't been up to that episode, he is Samasu. He did went and stole his body from a parallel universe or something, alternate universe. And look, he comes with so far with that. We can see in the box. We did get this at our GameStop, local GameStop. So let's check it out. Let's get in there, little bro. Awesome. You come with that purple, light purple background. Sweet.
What is this thing called again?
I think it's energy beam. Energy sword.
He comes with Fusion Samasu's leg. It's the right leg. It looks just like the same as Goku's black pants right here, his own leg. But the shoes look a little bit brighter.
I have no idea where it went. Oh, grab it. Sorry about that, guys. We dropped the hand.
His fist. On this one, he has his time ring. Let's go to the figure. Got Super Saiyan Rosé Goku Black. He has that evil face with his hands open already. He's double jointed. 360 spin on his feet. His hand is on the ball joint. 360 spin, head spin. He has ab right here. He can spin. He can pick up his leg. Mostly like this high. There's no hand to put it in. All you have to do is take the hand off and put it. Try to put it in the energy beam, right?
Yeah, it's like energy sword. Pretty much just a beam.
His thing on.
He is tough to. It is hard to put on. You sure it goes on that hand?
Yeah.
Huh, seems very tough to put on.
Well, has a little hole right there, so.
Try it on the other hand, see if it works.
Wait.
Let me try it. Try it on the other hand first. See, maybe it's only on the right. Well, let's find out. Well, seems like, yeah. Seems like, yeah, I think it goes on the right. Try again on the left hand.
It's on there.
All right, so you can put it on both hands. It's just, it's pretty hard to put it on the left hand. I don't know if it's just this figure, maybe all of them. It is a small hole, so. Oh, no, oh, and, what up? Can you take them apart like that? Oh, shoot. Did you break it? Oh, snap, he broke. No. Does that come off?
No, yeah, this comes off.
Oh, okay. All right, so put it back on. So, yeah, you can take them off, but I don't see probably the point of it. Hey, maybe you can put on the Samasu. I recommend not taking it off, but, you know, we just wanted to show you guys to see if it can come off. And, yeah, it does come off. It pops in easily. You just got to maneuver it right. Oh, no, he's a great figure. Can he do ab crunch? Yeah. Yeah, all right. He could twist all the way around. I think he's the only Dragon Ball Superstar series that does that. I'm not sure. Yeah, he's the only one from the ones that we got that does that. So that's pretty cool. And we did get this at our GameStop, so I would rush to GameStop. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I would rush to GameStop and just try to find it quick, because we found it for this price.
Our GameStop had the whole four series right there.
So, yeah, we checked on Amazon, and it was actually like, I think, 99 bucks. And we saw some other guy do an unboxing video. He paid for both of them, I think, like 115. So I would rush to GameStop and get it, because it was cheap. It was 22, you know, with taxes, $25. Let me just give you a look of him. Look at his evil face. So, all right, guys. This is the Collector Bros saying have a nice night. And please tune in for more, because we will be making more videos like this. Thank y'all.